Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can improve your online presence, outrank your competition, and of course, get more customers. If by the end of the video you like what you see, feel free to reach out and we'll be more than happy to assist you. So let's start with your website how to plug here. And one of the things that right off the bat I can notice is that the lack of content. And by content, in this case, I mean besides images, I mean words. So you need to add more content, especially to this homepage, because that will help you to rank to in any of the Google searches, depending on the keywords that you want to target for. So if you're going to be adding content, make sure it has to be original, it has to be rich, and like I said, it has to include the keywords that you want to be found for, and they have to be placed in specific places on your website, and not just on the home page, also on your services. Let's see what you got here. For example, residential HVAC. Yes, definitely add more content. And I'm going to be comparing your website to what I believe might be your main competition, but uh, going on, if I look on the back end of your website, you're only being found for one keyword, which is nothing. You don't have any organic traffic going into your website. You do have 39 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website, and that will give you power, so you can be found on Google as well. So keep in mind that not all links are created equal. So you can have hundreds and thousands of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, that's going to be completely useless. So, for example, I do a search on Google on HVAC New Jersey because that has a lot of volume, and I'm going to be showing you that. And the first thing that you can see here is the sponsor. You pay Google to be here. Then you have your traditional Google Ads. This also you pay every time that somebody clicks on it. Then you have the map section. This is very important because regardless of your location, your physical location, you can be here. You can be in this top three. And then we have, of course, the organic results, position number one. You see here. Then you got Yelp, the directory, and other more companies as well. So, just for your reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't even go past through these top three and probably these top three over here. So they're not going to go all the way down to the end of the page, not even to the second or third page. So you might be missing a lot of potential customers in here. Um, for the purpose of the video, I went and pull out this website, Edison HVAC. They're pretty big, but you can see why they're ranking on that first spot on that search because they have a lot of content. Um, but if you want to be competing with these guys, you need to add content and, of course, getting backlinks and all that marketing stuff that comes into place. But going to here, you can see they have a lot of content in here. They have services, they have service areas as well. So they have specific pages for these areas, which help them to rank no matter where you are. If you're going to be searching for example, Mercer County HVAC, they're going to pop up probably in the first page as well. If we look on the back end of their website, we see that they're being found for over 2,000 keywords. That's bringing them around 678 visits a month to their website. And of course, they have over 8,000 backlinks. But like I said, for this amount of backlinks, this number should be a little bit higher. But since they're ranking number one, doesn't really matter. They're doing the job. If we see the keywords that they're being found for example, and you can see this as a reference. For example, furnace repair New Jersey, there's an average of 250 searches a month, and from those, 57 are actually going to their website, and they're ranking number one for that. HVAC New Jersey, 100 searches a month. They have 37 people of these searches, 37 visits, to their website, and they're ranking number one as well. So if you add up all these numbers, a lot of people, a lot of searchers going searching for these services, and they're getting traffic to their website, and of course, those are potential customers. So really easy to explain, to understand. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I don't want to take too much of your time. So if you like what you hear, again, if you have any questions, our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.